another teeny tiny mailbox minute. Let me get my scissors. Maybe I've misplaced my scissors. Nope, they're there. Okay, hopefully I'm not going to break something open. I've cut a few of these open and they've been like little surprises. I don't want to. Okay, I didn't even need to look right. All right, let's see what's inside. Oh, it's molds. Awesome. So I wanted to do a gardener soap. So here's my mold for the gardener soap. How cool is that? And then I also wanted to do one for my sister, who is a seamstress, with little scissors. I thought that would be pretty too. So I've got 2 more themes that I can work with. How fun is that? And I did get a carrot and some vegetable molds are coming in too. So this one's going to be super fun, I hope. I hope I can do it in a way that it's super fun. Got a new way of doing things. I think I'm going to follow from Sorcery Soaps style a little more with my own little twist. Always got to get your own little twist in there. Super, super fun. Oh my goodness. But yeah, excited. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this mailbox minute, and there's going to be lots more to go because, you know, I'm always creating and always looking for inspiration, always ordering my dollar goodies. All right, see you next time. Bye for now.